Hi guys, there is this soya chap from brand called SPT. In this video, I'm going to show you its review and recipe. This is 500 gram pack and MRP is 150 rupees. But you get this from Amazon at a discounted price of rupees 75. So in this whole pack, there are 8 soya chap sticks. Use as many as you want. Remaining, keep it in the freezer section of your refrigerator. Coming to the recipe, in rolling boiling water, add salt. Now carefully place soya chap stick in this. Boil it for 5 minutes. Now switch off the flame and leave it in the hot water for 30 minutes. Now cut the soya chap by rotating the sticks like this. Now we have two options, deep fry or shallow fry. I'm going to do shallow fry. So in a pan, take butter, just melt the butter, don't heat it too much. Add soya chap and flip these. All the chap should be coated nicely with butter. Turn and cook the other side, and at this stage add slit ginger and green chilies. Now turmeric powder, red chili powder. Now give it a mix and keep it aside. In the same pan, heat 2 spoons of oil. In hot oil, add cumin seed. Now 2 big finely chopped onion. Fry till it turns pinkish. Then add ginger garlic paste and fry till onion turns golden brown. Now add tomato puree of 1 big size tomato and also add salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder. Saute till oil oozes out. There goes fried soya chap and a cup of water. Cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. Lastly, add some dried fenugreek leaves and we are done. Taste of this gravy is amazing. Soya chap is soft and fresh. Give it a try and subscribe for more videos.